Oh, it's the magic circle. Can't wait to be dazzled with a few tricks. Let's stick to some simple stuff for now. How about some transformations? If a shape is transformed, its appearance is changed. This can be done in a number of ways, including translation, reflection, and rotation. So firstly, translation. This is when a shape slides from one place to another without turning. You can move it up or down, or from side to side. Or right into your greedy little mouth. Reflection is another type of transformation. It's a bit like using a mirror. The reflection is the same distance from the mirror line as the original shape, which just happens to be the distance to your mouth. Right, you can see where this is going. And then there's rotation. This is when you turn a shape clockwise or anti-clockwise around a point, called the centre of rotation. The shape needs to remain the same distance from this point. And yep, it's gone. You feeling a bit full? Yep. So, there we go. Some excellent transformations. Well done. Oh, time to disappear, I think.